There's some signs of changes, even though again today, very warm conditions. But late this afternoon, some clouds built up and even a few very light little showers developed. They didn't make much. Most of them didn't even reach the ground. But this is a sign of the weather pattern starting to shift. Recent weeks, storm track way too far to the north of us, taking the fronts from across the U.S.-Canadian border out across the northeast. This week, the pattern's starting to shift to the south. That's going to bring that Pacific moisture into the state. A better chance of some showers, and especially late this week, we may get a strong low-pressure system forming over southeastern Colorado. Could be a heavy precipitation event coming our way on Friday. Here's the way things look right now in the Denver area. 59 downtown and at the airport. 35% humidity, pressure rising. Winds a little gusty out of the east, 21 miles per hour. High temperature today was 77, 47 the low temperature. The normals 56 and 28. 8 and 1 are the extremes. Check out the highs around the nation. These are all record high temperatures for today. But there is going to be a little weather front sliding southward to bring some slightly cooler weather into this midsection of the country. And for us, slightly cooler weather on the eastern plains, some snow off to the north of us. This is the storm I'm watching for later on in the week. That's the one that's going to bring us a good chance of moisture coming up by Thursday into Friday. Across the state tonight, then, slightly cooler air enters the northeast corner of Colorado. Lows dropping off into the 30s up towards Sterling and 39 around Akron, 43 Denver, 20s and 30s in the mountains. Your front range numbers are still going to be in the 40s, but a bit of a cool easterly wind expected overnight tonight. Tomorrow will mainly dry, but there's some of that slight Pacific moisture coming in. Could be a couple of light little showers developing in the afternoon. Temperatures a little lower, 67 for Denver, just in the 50s around Akron and Sterling, and we'll see some 70s over southeastern Colorado. Your front range numbers tomorrow, not quite as warm as recent days, but still above the normals for this time in March. Even in the mountains, those readings will be in the 50s. Tonight's forecast calls for our skies to be partly cloudy. Gusty winds from the east, 43 for a low, east 15 to 25. Tomorrow, a little bit cooler, maybe a little shower in the afternoon, 67 for a high with southeast winds at 10 to 15. Back to warmer weather again for Wednesday, mostly sunny and 73. Thursday, as that western storm begins to move in, thunderstorms possible late in the day, rain possibly changing to snow and maybe wet, heavy snow on Friday with a high temperature of only 45 degrees. Clearing, cool Saturday. Another chance of some showers arrives on Sunday. Depending how this storm tracks on Thursday into Friday, could be one of those big, soggy snow events.